Here's how you're going to share your iPad screen on the Teams app on your device. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc channel, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Of course, the meeting can be joined in multiple different ways. You can create one yourself, whatever. But once you essentially get to this page where you are already part of the meeting, in order to share your screen, what you have to do is just to click on the button and at the bottom in the toolbar, which is the arrow pointing up in a little rectangle. That is the button we need to click on, and it gives us three options. So you can share photo, share video, which might be working well, but of course we are interested in the sharing screen. So you tap on that. You get to then decide if you want to include the audio or without the audio, depends. So that's the option that you have available. You click one, and then it's going to get you to this page where you have like the iPad OS UI. So you can start a broadcast, and at the app selected is the Microsoft Teams, of course. So it just means that everything gets captured on the screen, but it's not going to be like saved to the Photos app, but it will all be broadcasted to the Teams. It's like all connected. So you have to start a broadcast, and then that's how you can basically make sure that everything gets shared with the meeting members. But then, of course, the way that it works is that you leave the meeting, it's all running in the background, and then you can get inside a different app and share, like a presentation or a whiteboard or whatever else it might be, and all other people will be able to see that. So that's essentially the useful part about it. So, of course, you can always stop that by clicking the red button in the top right to stop the broadcast. And, that's how you can return back to the normal meeting. So let me know if you managed to make it work. I really hope that I could help you out with it. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.